Preparation for investors. Before you can get an investor to come on board, it is likely that you will be doing a significant amount of pitching to them. This usually entails creating a business plan, showing appropriate finances, showing projections, perhaps writing an investment memorandum, including specifics about the shares, the competition, the marketing, the market, audited accounts, product literature, key customers or supplier agreements, and perhaps copies of any documents that are already in draft, such as the shareholders agreement, non-disclosure agreement, and any board minutes that you have. The NDA will make sure that the potential investor only uses the information for the purpose of making his decision about the investment. The agreement is usually one-sided, which means that it is only the investor that is under any obligation to keep things confidential, which makes sense because they're not sharing information with you. The NDA will provide for limited situations where they may be entitled or be bound to disclose the information, but these will be limited to if they're required to disclose them as a matter of law or to their professional advisors who are supporting them with the investment or employees who may be supporting with the investment internally. Simple NDAs or non-compete agreements are available online, or you can send us an email at admin@navistarlegal.com and receive a copy of our one-way NDA template. A lot of people are concerned about whether investors will copy their ideas. That has not actually been my experience, but the danger comes when you have a new solution for an industry in which that investor already has some vested interest in another company. So I suggest use your discretion when you're talking to investors about the information that you share with them. Subscription agreement. Sometimes if you're looking for a large investment, you may go to several investors, in which case you might want a subscription agreement. Imagine that you want to raise £2 million investment. No single individual may want to provide the full amount to you, but you can get each investor to sign up to agree that if you get subscription agreements from investors up to the amount of 2 million or more, then they will be obliged to invest their money. Subscription agreements are usually for larger investments, but they can be useful to get people to sign on the dotted line and to show other investors that there are people who are interested in your investment. It is lower risk to an investor, since if you do not raise the 2 million, then the agreement falls away.